Kick off your adventure with breathtaking drone footage, capturing hidden gems from stunning, rarely seen angles. Immerse yourself in the secluded beauty of these off-the-radar destinations. Explore the allure of hidden gems, unique, lesser-known destinations offering authentic experiences far from crowded tourist hotspots. Embrace the spirit of adventure and uncover secrets waiting to be shared. Witness the awe-inspiring vistas of Oman's Hajar Mountains, a paradise for hikers and nature enthusiasts. Discover vibrant wildlife, ancient forts, and serene trails. Opt for sustainable stays, such as eco-lodges and luxury glamping under starry desert skies. Step into the lush green landscape of the Azores, an enchanting volcanic archipelago famed for cascading waterfalls, volcanic lakes, and rich marine life. Explore picturesque tea plantations, partake in guided tours and tea tastings, and indulge in unique tea-infused delicacies. Journey to Petra, the magnificent ancient Nabatean city carved into rose-hued cliffs. Walk through the mystical Sikh, uncovering the secrets behind the iconic treasury. Discover Petra's sophisticated water systems and vibrant culture, preserved amidst ruins. Dive into Palau's crystal-clear waters, exploring vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Paddleboard or kayak around the famous mushroom-shaped rock islands and appreciate Palau's powerful commitment to marine conservation. Savor Tuscany's famous vineyards and enchanting medieval towns. Experience intimate wine-tasting tours, attend festive harvest celebrations, and immerse yourself in the slow food movement, savoring authentic local dishes. Super #Tuscany Tastings #Slow Food Journey on screen text. Instagram tip. Explore Bhutan's mystical monasteries nestled within breathtaking Himalayan landscapes. Attend vibrant festivals like Parochechu, witnessing colorful traditions and dances. Discover Bhutan's unique philosophy of gross national happiness and sustainable living. Super #Bhutan Festivals #Himalayan Magic on screen text. Instagram tip. Adventure into Patagonia's untamed wilderness with majestic glaciers and mountains ideal for hiking, kayaking, and wildlife viewing. Then explore Glacier National Park, USA, known for pristine lakes, iconic trails, and cultural connections with the Blackfeet Nation. Experience the legendary Going to the Sun Road, abundant wildlife, and summer's spectacular wildflower bloom. Super #Patagonia Wild #Glacier Park Adventures on screen text. Instagram tip. Share your own travel discoveries and experiences of hidden gems. Leave your stories, insights, and recent reviews in the comments or post using our dedicated hashtags. Inspire fellow travelers by highlighting authentic, off-the-beaten-path adventures. Check trusted sources like TripAdvisor and Lonely Planet for the latest reviews, ensuring your travel experiences remain unforgettable and authentic. Together, let's uncover more hidden gems and celebrate the joy of discovery.